Hey, what's up guys? Today we are in Sano. It's called Ohirasan. It's a small town in Tochigi Prefecture. Please hit that like and please subscribe because we need your support. Yeah, just enjoy the walk.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, look at the view. Look at the view. Isn't it nice? It's really nice. They got some palm trees. I can hear that cicada. What is it called? Cicada. It's already out. Cicada. Cicada. Okay. Let's go over there. Wait, what are these?
Benches.
Benches?
Yeah.
Is this for yoga? I think it's for yoga. I think people do yoga here.
I think it's to eat picnic.
Maybe. Oh, there's a picnic table. Check it out. Nice, we can barbecue here. Barbecue. Oh, look at the view. Look.
That's really nice.
It's really nice. That's the city of Sano. It's in Tochigi-ken. Tochigi Prefecture.
I think I see a killer bee.
Really? Where? You see some mountains. Pretty good view of mountains. Oh.
It's a car.
Oh. Okay, let's go there. Let's go over there. Some trails. Oh, what's in there? Kind of creepy. Let's get back. Let's go to the viewpoint. You want to go to the viewpoint?
Yeah, I can see the view from up here.
Let's go. So all these stores are now closed. They closed really early.
What time is it?
I think they close at 3 p.m.
Well, it's 4 right now, so
Yeah.
around 4.
Oh. Let's go down. here. So let's go down. Oh, nice. Some nice trails. Could hike up.
There's a bench. Somebody left their hand.
Yeah, there's a bench. Just sit back and relax on this bench. Nice.
It would be scary to fall down there.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Nice ajisai flowers. It's pretty cool.
Oh, do you hear that bird?
Yeah.
Hiking.
Yeah, it's relaxing.
Oh, it's from right here.
Hmm?
Can you hear it?
Oh yeah.
Really close.
Where is it?
Those look like the Japanese maple trees, right?
I think it is.
Yeah, right.
Some
Oh, see
stones.
the viewpoint. Look up there.
Some stones written in
Kanji.
kanji. Okay, let's go to the viewpoint. Check it out. Another ajisai flowers.
There's a lot of mud here. I think it rained a lot.
Obviously, it's monsoon season right
Yeah.
now.
It just keeps on raining. Very humid here.
Yeah, it's really humid. Okay. All right, this is the view.
It's nice. But I think it's nicer when it's sunny.
Yeah. You can't really see. It's hard to see.
It's all this humidity buildup.
Okay, and there's a bamboo forest over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a big bamboo forest. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and please subscribe. Bye. Okay, so this is the bamboo forest I was talking about. Look at this bamboo, it's really thick.
Look over there. I think that's a better
Yeah.
view of it.
It's really cool. It's really thick. I wish I could grow these in my yard.